Hey guys, this is Ruben again with Red Alpha Custom Prints. We're getting set up to go on an install. This is another situation where one of our customers, which is a print shop, are sending us the graphics so that we can go install the graphics on their end user. And so we have a little checklist that we go by to make sure that we're ready to do, the installs. High quality H2O, check. Install map, check. Squeegee, check. Wrap glove, check. Snitty, check. Knife, check. Blue tape on it to let my wife know this is mine, check. Tuck tool, check. Extra blades for knife, check. Velcro on back, not there, uncheck. Tool belt, check. Blade disposal container, check. Check. Bubble popper, check. Blue tape, check. Seal tape matte, check. Seal tape gloss, check. Graphics, check. Baby doll,
Check.
check.